Hello, I'm Chef Sean Leonard, Executive Chef and Culinary Arts Programme Leader at the BHMS Culinary Academy in Switzerland. Welcome to the BHMS world of culinary arts, where passion and creativity blend with the art of cooking to create a truly remarkable learning experience. So whether your dream is of becoming a professional chef, owning your own restaurant, an entrepreneur, or simply indulging in the joy of preparing incredibly good meals, our BHMS Culinary Arts Programme is here to ignite your culinary journey. At BHMS, we believe that culinary arts is not just about preparing food. It's an expression of culture, innovation, craftsmanship. Our programs are designed to provide you with a comprehensive education that goes beyond the basics, equipping you with all the skills, knowledge, and of course confidence to excel in this dynamic and very rewarding field. With hands-on, practical study, expect to spend a significant amount of time in the kitchen, honing your culinary skills. You'll work on more complex recipes and dishes as time progresses, as you progress, developing your creativity, competencies, confidence, and precision. Your BA Culinary Programme will provide you with a comprehensive understanding of culinary arts, and it will build upon the practical skills that you've gained in your diploma and higher diploma programs here with us at the BHMS Culinary Academy. Under the guidance of our experienced and very talented faculty, you will embark on a transformative learning experience that combines theoretical knowledge with hands-on practical training. From understanding the fundamentals of food science and nutrition to mastering advanced culinary techniques, our curriculum covers a wide range of subjects to ensure a well-rounded education. Our state-of-the-art culinary facilities are industry standard and provide the perfect environment for you to hone your skills. You'll have the opportunity to work with top-of-the-range equipment, diverse ingredients, and explore various cuisines around the world. As you progress through the program, you'll develop your own unique culinary style, pushing the boundaries of taste and presentation. We also understand the importance of real-world experience in culinary arts industry, and that's why our program offers internships with renowned restaurants, hotels, and catering companies. These opportunities will allow you to gain invaluable industry experience, network with professionals, and put your skills to the test in a fast-paced professional setting. Furthermore, our program promotes collaborative and inclusive learning environment, fostering a sense of community among the students and faculty. You'll have the chance to engage in teamwork, culinary competitions, culinary events, further enhancing your skills, building relationships and creating lasting memories. So whether you aspire to become a master chef, a pastry artisan, a culinary entrepreneur, or explore other exciting avenues within our industry, our program will provide you with the foundation and the resource to pursue your dreams. So join us at BHMS and embark on your culinary journey. Awaken your senses, ignite your creativity, and open the doors to the world of culinary possibilities.